Welcome back and thanks for staying with us. A visa applicant died at the U.S. Embassy this morning. In a statement issued this afternoon, Public Affairs Attaché Mike Lavallee said that a Jamaican national experienced a medical emergency while visiting the embassy. Mr. Lavallee revealed that at approximately 8:20, the individual suffered a medical episode, and despite immediate medical attention, he tragically passed away. A member of the public who was at the embassy told our news center that the man collapsed shortly after entering the compound. The embassy said the body was later removed by a funeral home in accordance with the local laws and procedures. The U.S. Embassy says it is deeply saddened by the passing. The mission argued that out of respect for and privacy of the deceased and the family, it was unable to provide further details. After